Hello there. Yes, I know that was lame. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays with your host, Gerrie. And today I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial on doing macro photography. Yay! So what does macro photography mean? Well, what macro photography means is basically taking photos of objects really close to find different details and different stuff you won't normally see in your normal lives or with your normal eye. So how do you do this with a macro lens? With macro photography, you'll basically need three things. Your macro lens, which we'll get into now, very strong lighting, and then a subject to shoot. And I'm going to be using this. Ow! So there's different ways of doing macro. Obviously one is using a macro lens with the right magnification. Or you can get cheaper alternatives like what I'm going to use today. This is 70 to 300 Tamron type of kit lens that you get. With kind of a zoom or macro capability, but it's only a 1:2 magnification, so you won't be able to get that close. And then there's also really ratchet ways of doing it, which is called lens whacking, I think? No. Well, there's certain ways you can get it with extension tubes and or toilet paper rolls. Let me know if you want to see a video on that. But today I'll be using this lens for the reason that I can do macro with it, and the fact is I can fit it onto my camera I'm currently shooting on. The camera I'm currently shooting on is a GH5 and this is a Nikon mount. So how's that work? Basically I have one of these guys, which is just a little adapter from Nikon to Micro Four Thirds. You do get speed boosters, and that's another topic of concern, but this is just a small dumb adapter for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into shooting this component. So here we have our motherboard. But usually every time before I will shoot macro photography, I'll just look at some interesting points or surface areas or objects in my subject that I'm going to shoot to make a bit more of a plan. But let's put on the lens. So there's images, and that's basically what I've done with not actually a real macro lens, just with an adapter and a broken lens, which is unfortunate. So one key important thing to remember when shooting macro is to shoot on a very closed f-stop. So f8, f16, yeah, the higher the number the better. For the reason is because you're so close to your subject, your focusing area is very shallow. You have very shallow depth of field basically. And that's why you'll need a strong light to be able to capture all the necessary detail that you need without pushing your camera's ISO too high and noise too high. But I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I don't know, I'm new to this. Leave a comment saying what you guys thought of the video, and let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see next Tuesday, because we're doing these on Tuesdays and I'm one of the hosts. Bye!